Multiples. In this video, we're talking about how to find the multiples of a number. And we've been asked to find the first 5 multiples of each of the numbers we've been given. Multiples of a number are just the number that can be divided evenly by the number we've been given. In other words, what I want to do to find the multiples of a number is to multiply the given number with others. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we've been asked to find the first 5 multiples. So I'm going to say 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 5 is 5. Which tells me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These results I got here are multiples of number 1. And I know that's true, because I can divide all of these numbers evenly by 1. So when I say 1 divided by 1 equals to 1, which is a whole number answer. When I say 2 divided by 1 is 2, which is a whole number answer. So 3 divided by 1 is 3, 4 divided by 1 is 4, and 5 divided by 1 is 5. So these are all whole number answers. If I want to find the 5 first multiples of 3, I just want to say 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 are the first 5 multiples of 3. And these numbers all can be divided evenly by 3. In fact, I can say 3 divided by 1 is 3, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Or I can say 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, or 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we're just looking for the multiples of the number. So as you can see, we have whole number answers. So we are just looking for the multiples of that number. Let's go to the last example here. Same thing here. I can just say 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, and 12 times 5 is 60. So all these are the multiples of the number 12. And I could keep going to the infinity. I could say 12 times 100 is 1200. So 1200 is a multiple of 12. As long as I can take the multiple and divide it by the original number and get the whole number answer, I know that this number is the multiple of this number. So just a little review. What if I ask you to find the factors of 6? You would know that they are 1, 6, 2, and 3. These are all the factors of 6. In other words, these are the numbers that 6 is divisible by. But now, what if I ask you to find the multiples of 6? What does that mean? Multiples of 6 includes 6, 12, 18, 24, and then let's jump all the way up to 600 and so on. How I got this? Because 6 is 1 times 6, 12 is 2 times 6, 18 is 3 times 6, and 24 is 4 times 6. And 600 is 100 multiplied by 6. All of these are called multiples, and all of the multiple is what you get when you multiply 6 with another whole number. So if you have your times table memorized, those are just multiples. Now let's summarize what we just established. Factors are what you get when you break down a number, and multiple is what you get when you multiply a number. There is only a limited number of factors, which means that a number can only have a certain number of factors, but the same number can have an infinite number of multiples. This means that its multiples can go on forever. And there is something that's pretty interesting. The original number, we have 6 here, will always be a factor and a multiple of itself. If we look over here, 6 is a factor of 6, but 6 is also a multiple of 6.